Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. Clothing. What are they? What color are they? What are they? They are pants. What color are they? They are red. What are they? They are socks. What color are they? They are orange. What are they? They are tights. What color are they? They are purple. What are they? They are sneakers. What color are they? They are green. What are they? They are rain boots. What color are they? They are yellow. What are they? They are underpants. What color are they? They are white. What are they? They are gloves. What color are they? They are brown. What are they? They are sunglasses. What color are they? They are pink. What are they? They are shorts. What color are they? They are blue. Okay, now it's your turn. They are pants. They are red. They are socks. They are orange. They are tights. They are purple. They are sneakers. They are green.
They are rain boots. They are yellow. They are underpants. They are white. They are gloves. They are brown. They are sunglasses. They are pink. They are shorts. They are blue. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon. There you can download worksheets we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my website, markkulek.com, and my Patreon. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.